Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are doing well at home and you all are fine by the grace of God. And as you all are learning few words starting from A, E, I, O, U sound words, you have learned 2-letter words, and today you will learn some more letters of 3-letter. Okay? So as you all can see, here I have written some 2-letter words starting with E sound. They are starting with E sound like E-N, N, E-D, ed, E-T, et, E-L-L-L, E-G, egg, E-B-F, E-S-S, E-M-M. So these are 2-letter words starting with E sound. They are starting with E sound. Okay. Now you are learning 3-letter words using E sound. They are starting with consonant letter words. Okay. And you know the consonant letters also like C, D, M, N, J, K, like this, Z, all are consonant letter word. And you have learned the spelling like C-A-R car, J-A-R jar, M-A-T mat. Those were A-letter words. And today you will practice writing E-letter words. Like here you can see, this is the picture of a diamond. This is the picture of a diamond, and diamond is a gem. Gem means, G-E-M, gem means nug, stones, variety of stones. Okay. So what is the spelling of gem? J-M, E-M-M, as you have read just now, E-M-M, and when we will put G with M, the sound will come gem, G-E-M, gem. So we will start writing from the third line. G sounds like gem, G-E-M, gem. Okay. Now on the next side you can see the picture of a, yes, that is the picture of a hen. You all know that we get egg from hen. Hen, her. H sounds her. N-E-N-N. Here you can find out, here it is written E-N-N. And when we write the spelling of hen, her, N. Like H sounds her, E-N-N. Hen. Okay. Now, next picture is of bell. B-L. Your mouth is spelling like B-L. So, B sounds B. L, you can find out this is E-L-L-L. E-M I have given here E-M. You can see E-S, E-B, E-G, E-L-L-L. And you have to write the spelling of bell. B. What sound is coming? B. B sounds B, E, L, L, bell. Okay, children. Now you can see here a net. This is a net. This is a net, and we catch fish from the river with the help of this net. Okay. So net. Can you see? Find out. Can you find out at? 2-letter word sound here. Et, et. Yes. This is et, et. हमारे माउथ से पहले निकलता है उसको हम इन ईटी और ईजी और ईबी और ईएस साउंड जो ई का है उसके साथ उसे जोड़ करके स्पेलिंग को कंप्लीट करते हैं. सो वी राइट दैट स्पेलिंग with like we can see the picture of gem. So we had written GEM, gem. We added EMM with G. Here you can see the picture of that side. You can see the picture of hen, her, and we added ENN. So the spelling is hen, HEN, hen. Likewise, here you can see the picture of a web. What is web? Do you know what is web? Yes, web is the place where spider lives in. जहाँ पे spiders रहते हैं. You can see spiders in the bushes, or you can see the spider at your in your room also. And this is the place where spider lives. Okay. And this is a web. Eb. E-B. Eb. Verb sounds W. W. E. B. Web. EBF. Can you find out here? EBF. क्या आपको यहाँ पे कहीं EBF दिख रहा है? EBF. So we have added EBF with W. W-E-B web. Okay. Now you can see here it's a picture of a leg. In our body we can see we are having a leg in our body. So this is the part of a body, leg. L, your tongue is going up. L, egg. E-G, egg, L, egg. E-G, egg. And when we put L with E-G, the spelling will be completed like L-E-G, leg. Leg. Okay. Now here you can see thumb like this, and when we say yes, okay, so we do like this. Yes, I have done. Yes, I want that. Okay, so this is the symbol of yes. So I have taken the spelling by this. Yes, Y-E-S, yes, S, E-S, S. And when we add Y with ES, the spelling will be completed like Y-E-S, yes. Y-E-S, yes. Okay, children. Y-E-S, yes. So, here you can see I have written some words like GEM, gem, HEN, hen, BELL, bell, NET, net, WEB, web, LEG, leg, YES, yes. Okay. So you have to write it in front of this spelling GEM, gem, like this. GEM, gem. G-E-M, gem. And remember, when you write the spelling, you have to speak, you have to say all the spellings which you are writing on the copy, or the sound is coming from the mouth. Always say that particular word. Like when you are writing G, you have to say G, E, M, gem, G-E-M, gem. Okay. Then hen, H-E-N, hen. Which line you have from which line you have to start? From the third line. H, then E, then N. And don't write like this. आपने H, E लिख दिया और फिर N इधर से बना दिया. No. This will be wrong. Okay. When you will write, you have to write it in the same formation like you are writing. Okay. Like B, then E, and then L. Bell. B E L L. Bell. B E L L. Bell. Okay. Now, which spelling is this? N-E-T, net. So what you will do? You will write N-E-T, net. Okay. And T. When you are writing T, जब आप T लिख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे डैश नहीं करेंगे. ओके. एंड ऐसे गोल करके भी नहीं लिखेंगे. ओके. You have to write like this. This is T, and then put this sleeping line like this. This both will be wrong and this is the correct one. Okay. Likewise, you have to do all these words in your English copy. So thank you and be blessed.